Hello, hello. Is this working? Yes. Hello, you guys, and welcome back to another video in my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make the Italian pasta. And we're going to learn English words / some Italian words. Maybe some Spanish, maybe some Arabic. Let's get started.
Okay, we need pasta, garlic, and chili.
Chili peppers,
This type of chili.
flakes. We
Yes.
call them flakes.
Or whatever spicy thing you want to put.
Okay. And this is called what?
This is pasta, we call it fettuccine.
Fettuccine. So even in
For-
Italian,
yes.
it is fettuccine.
For this type of pasta is better long pasta.
What do you mean? I don't understand.
This will be long.
Uh-huh.
There's other pasta which is short.
Okay.
We need this type of pasta.
Okay. Cool. What is
Okay.
it called in Italian?
Tagliatelle.
Okay.
This is called tagliatelle.
And what is garlic in
Aglio,
Aglio,
peperoncino.
pepperoncino.
And we need also oil. A lot
Oil.
a lot
Where's
of
the oil? No, the oil is not here. The oil is here.
Yes.
And what do you call it in Italian?
Olio di oliva.
Olio di oliva. In Spanish, it's aceite.
Aceite?
Sí.
Okay, olio di oliva.
Like Arabic. Arabic we say
Okay.
zait.
Zait,
Okay.
difficult.
Why?
Because it has to come good. Okay.
What are you doing?
We are breaking the garlic
Why?
because I will show you. This.
So you are peeling the garlic.
Yes. Peel the garlic.
Peeling it.
And peel the garlic. This we don't need. This Italian trick.
It's an Italian trick. Un trucco italiano. ¿Cómo se dice en italiano?
È un trucco italiano.
Trucco italiano. Okay, so all like the same.
Yes.
And these are forks. What are the forks for?
Wait, I need knife.
Okay.
Click like this.
Yes, chopping the garlic.
Chopping the garlic.
Which is in italiano?
Tagliare.
What is it?
Tagliare.
Tagliare.
Tagliare a...
Tagliara. In Arabic we say tagliara, it means plain.
Tagliare così.
It's tagliara, plain.
Yes, we are playing.
You are good in this. I am very bad.
Okay, then it has to be very, very, very small. So what I do,
You smash it.
we do like this.
You mash it. It's mashed.
Yes.
Ah, mashed garlic. So here's
Somehow.
yeah, knife and a cutting board.
This, yes. Like this. It depends on how much garlic you want. If you like garlic, you put a lot. If you don't, you put
A little.
less. I like
Okay.
garlic, so I put
Aglio.
aglio.
Sì, pero me gusta mucho el aglio.
Ok, l'aglio ti piace, quindi
Sì,
va bene
el
così.
aglio ti piace.
It's okay like this?
Yes.
Quantity? Okay.
I like garlic a lot. He said if you like garlic, you
Put.
can put this much. I like garlic.
Okay.
بحب التومة.
أنا بدي garlic.
أنا بدي garlic. احكي أنا بحب التومة.
أنا
أنا بحب
أنا بحب التومة.
تومة. This is تومة.
Tome.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Now,
Sí. Ahora, ¿qué vamos a hacer?
vamos a hacer water,
Okay.
which we will cook pasta in.
Okay. So we are filling the pot with water.
With water.
Yes.
Mm,
And we will boil the pasta.
yes.
The Italian way.
The Italian way. This is normal tagliatelle for us.
Tagliatelle. Pero
Sí.
para nosotros esto
You know
es
why
fettuccine.
tagliatelle?
No.
Because tagliare,
Uh-huh.
it's cutted. It's not to make...
I'm sorry. Yee, I broke it.
It's not made with a machine. It's cutted by
Ah,
hand.
by hand.
Yes.
Okay. So he told me
Fettuccine.
this is called what is it again? Tagliatelle.
Tagliatelle.
Tagliatelle. It's called tagliatelle in Italian, not fettuccine. Fettuccine is longer. Yeah. Okay.
Fettuccine is made in Rome.
And fettuccine is made in Rome,
Tagliatelle, it's all over Italy.
all over Italy.
And
In our city here in Palestine, we cook fettuccine with this.
Buy fettuccine, yes. You can use that.
نعمل فيهم فوتوتشيني. اوكي so احنا مش Italian ولا شوي. We are not Italian.
It's pasta.
Oh my god! I stepped on the pasta
Okay,
on the floor and
you
my
have to
mom
put
thought
the
that
salt.
I broke his glasses.
Put salt.
Okay, so
This,
some salt.
no, we do it like this.
The Italian way.
I can?
Yes, of course. Okay.
This is fine salt. We need, usually it's big salt, you know? Big
It's a lot of
chunk.
salt?
No. You know the salt big. Sale grosso, we call it.
Sale grosso.
Big
You mean
salt.
the big grain?
Yes.
Okay.
This you need a little bit more.
Okay. So.
But don't put a lot. It's better to put less and after you add it.
Okay.
It doesn't have to be very salty.
Okay. So first the salt and then the
Then
pasta?
we cover and it will boil. Salt you can put whenever you want.
Okay.
It's already almost boiling. So what we need to do, I have to concentrate.
Okay.
How do I...
Turn this on.
It's
on.
already?
Yeah, like
Okay.
this. But you need the
Yalla.
aceite, زيت, oil di oliva.
Yes, we put oil of oliva.
A little bit of oil di oliva. This is a lot!
We need this.
Are you sure?
Yes. Trust me.
Okay, that's a lot of olive oil. My mom will kill you.
Yes.
You literally poured half of the bottle.
No. I put back.
It's okay.
We need this.
Yeah, okay.
Because the oil has to become garlic oil. You understand?
So we're gonna have it with the pasta.
So, you put oil.
No. Okay, wait a second.
And we will use it also for pesto pasta.
Okay.
Not very high on this.
Really? Okay, wait a second. Let me make it less high. Okay. So we add the garlic.
Yes.
If you're gonna wait for it, so we're gonna add the garlic in the pan. This
Garlic?
is a pan.
Yes.
This is garlic, cutting board, pot.
Yes.
But wait a second. The problem is you need the cover. You need the lid.
No. To this?
Yeah.
No, we don't.
No, but it's going to go like.
No, I show you.
Okay.
Spicy, you put a lot. We put
lot?
like this.
Okay. You always add the chili flakes.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, now it's...
Yes.
It's...
It's making the sound.
Yes, exactly.
Sizzling.
Do this movement.
It's
For a
sizzling.
while.
Okay.
It has to become light brown.
The garlic, right?
Yes, the smell is right. Oof, this starts to boil. This is okay, but we need the real bubbles. When it will do the real bubbles, is the time for us to put the pasta. And it will be ready to leave it alone.
What's the meaning of bubbles in Italian?
Bolle.
Bolle?
Bolle. Quando fa le bolle.
Bolle, quando fa le bolle.
Okay, this is perfect. When it start to get this color, it's the time for us to let it sit 1 minute and ciao.
Okay, so 1 more minute for this and then we put it away.
Exactly.
Now we have a lot of bubbles here.
Yes.
Sometimes we
Yes,
add
bro.
potatoes.
Infatti ne
with
metto
this.
pochissima. Un assaggio, una forchettata per tutti. Al pesto non so se riesco.
Okay, I don't understand anything of what you said. So time to give him the pasta that he called tralalali. What is it called?
Tagliatelle.
Tagliatelle. I used the Italian brain rot. I said tratatelle. Okay, so he is taking the pasta and we're gonna add it to the pot.
Usually for one person it's 2.5.
2.5. So you
Yes.
just need 1.5.
No, 2.5.
2.5. Okay.
For one person. Okay.
So add them to the pot. 1, 2, 3, 3.5.
Yes.
We need more.
Yes, bring more. Just one more.
One more?
Yes. Okay.
Because we're making a small portion, right?
Yes, we're making a small portion.
For how long do we need to leave it here?
We Italian, we don't need time. We know when it's ready.
And we are not Italians. How are we gonna know?
Usually it's 5 to 7 minutes. It
5.
depends on the type of pasta. This pasta, 5 minutes maximum, I think. We will see. I will show you how to know when it's ready.
Okay.
So, most important part of this process
is we call this a ladle.
alado.
Ladle.
Questo è un ramaiolo.
Yes. In Arabic, it's maghrafe.
Makrafe. Okay. We
And
do
what
like
we do?
this. This is the most important
Yay!
part.
Water on the oil! Okay, that's scary. Okay, why you do this?
Because there is pasta inside. Pasta release amide. Amide will make us the best sauce. It will make itself the sauce. It will combine with the garlic and the oil. From this, it will release itself.
So you stir, 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 stir.
Yes.
Yeah, all the thing
Yes.
is on my camera. Okay.
Normal. This we put with water. Is good.
So this is good.
Yes.
Okay.
Khalas this.
Khalas or sieve? What is it?
You have to help me.
Okay. What is it called in Italian?
Scola pasta.
Okay. We call it a sieve.
Okay. Do it. We have to leave some water.
Okay. So it's like a soup?
No. No, okay.
But you poured all of it.
We need little water.
Okay. Like Indomie.
Now,
Yeah.
wait.
Yum.
Okay.
You reminded me of an Italian place in the UK that is called Vapiano.
Va piano.
You know Vapiano?
Go slow. It means in Italian.
Really?
Yes.
It's the name of an Italian brand in London.
Okay.
And they used to make the pasta in front of us like this. So you reminded me of it.
Now leave it. Let him cook.
We will let it cook?
I
Until
want
when?
to taste if pasta is to be made and be, how you say, deve evaporare tutto. Tutto deve evaporare.
Tutto evaporare. Evaporate. Which means
Evaporates.
يتبخر.
Yes.
سيتبخر.
Next time. Most important thing of pasta, it's the amide it release.
The what?
The amide.
What's the
Amido.
amide?
It's what it's in the pasta.
The cornstarch. It's
Exactly.
called the cornstarch.
Pasta has a lot of it. One more
starch.
minutes. It will
One
be
more
the right
minute.
amount of water and mash released.
Starch.
Starch.
1 minute.
1 minute.
And then the release.
When you see all the bubbles getting a little, all the water disappearing, when all the water disappears, not all of it, we will start to make some move like this. Like this. See how it's not no more water, it's kind of a sauce. Leave it one more 30 seconds.
We're not adding pesto.
If you want, you can add pesto
When-
to it.
when-
But the original pesto after it's cooked, after you plate it, with a little bit of water.
We can show them how.
Yes. Okay, now it's perfect. We turn everything off.
So this is the best part, where you marinate the pasta.
Yes, si chiama, we say risottare.
Risottare.
Yes. Yes, okay. Okay.
Yay, we're
It's ready.
ready.
Yes.
So it's ready to be eaten?
Yes.
Really?
We put some, if you want, you put some cheese, some parmesan, some pecorino.
Okay, and you told me I can add cheese, right?
Yes.
So I need the grater. It looks so good, like it looks so good. So good.
Did you taste it?
Not yet.
Taste.
What is this?
It's very tasty. Why didn't you
Great.
do all these?
Because I didn't want to lose every.
Grating.
We do a-
Time to try.
You tried it?
Num num num.
You liked it? Which best?
Aspetta che mettiamo il formaggio.
No, because I don't want to.
So good. Mwah, mwah. Our Palestinian pasta sucks. Very bad. Alright, you guys, that's it for today's video. I hope that you've enjoyed it and you found it useful. Tell me in the comments if you're going to try this recipe. To me, honestly, I prefer it much, much, much more than the way that we make it, the Palestinian way. Yes. Superb. See you in the next video. Goodbye.